Hi there, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for you that hasn't been here before. I'm very glad that you found this channel and I hope you will stay and subscribe. Today we will go out to something called Murupstånga, which is located on the west coast of southern Sweden. This place is very famous in Sweden because it's an international airport for birds. Here they can rest and eat before they move on. The Arctic waders stay here all winters before returning to the nesting grounds in the spring. I'm talking about the purple sandpiper, which I'm going to photograph and film today. It will be very fun to see how the Nikon Z9 works with these fast birds when they're flying towards you. I have tested before, not with the purple sandpiper, but with bigger birds like common buzzard and red kites and so on with birds of prey, and it works absolutely perfect. The focus is actually always on the eye. But now it's a small bird. Yes, we will see what's happening. So join me and I will show you pictures and movies from this session.
Now we are at Murupstånga, and it's a very nice place here in the west coast of Sweden. Down here there will be a purple sandpiper and I will photograph them and film them. The weather is going to be very good later this day, so I will photograph them also. But now in the morning I will photograph the purple sandpiper. I can see them here, so join me when I'm crawling down. I forget to tell you that I have the raincoat on, so I can go out a little bit in the water without getting wet. They are about 20 purple sandpiper here, and I'm just laying here on the beach, and I think I had good pictures of them. And now I will take some movie also and wait for the sun to come. I don't want too much sun, but little more light I want. So I will wait here for 1 or 2 hours. And here you can see the environment. And there was a purple sandpiper flying.